Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can get eligible to participate in the upcoming Optimism Airdrop. Now, what is Optimism if you don't know what Optimism is all about? Now, Optimism is part of the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. Now, you need to watch this video to the very end to see how you can qualify for this airdrop. Guys, this airdrop is going to be very, very massive. People that took advantage of DYDX airdrop made a lot of money. I missed out in DYDS. I don't want you to miss out in Optimism, because why? This airdrop can worth a lot of money. You need to watch this video to see how you can qualify, activate your wallet, and get ready for the airdrop. Welcome to DeepTutors. In DeepTutors, we help people get the best knowledge in cryptocurrency, give them the best information. All you need to do is to click the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you can get a lot of all our videos, all our content that will make you money in 2022. See you in the video. Let me explain to you how you can get eligible for the Optimism upcoming airdrop. See you there. Welcome to this video. Now, this is a video that is explaining how you can participate in Optimism upcoming airdrop. Now, this airdrop is going to be very huge. Now, Optimism, if you don't know what Optimism is part of the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. If you don't know what Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, I did a full video on what Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution is. You can check the description below and watch all the video about Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution so you can know what is Optimism. Now let's go straight to the video to show you how you can qualify for the upcoming airdrop. Alright, so this is Optimism website. You can check the website optimism.io. You can go through this website and do some read up for your own knowledge. You just read so many things around this website to know what Optimism is all about. Alright, but in this video I'm going to go straight forward in showing you how you can qualify for this airdrop. Alright, you go straight to the bridge. You can see bridge. Just click on the bridge section. You allow it to open. Click on the bridge section and allow it to open. Alright, so once you get to the bridge section, now this is where you can deposit your Ethereum. But before you do that, make sure you have already sent your Ethereum to your MetaMask. You can do this thing with your PC. You cannot do this thing with your mobile phone. Now make sure you have already sent your Ethereum on your MetaMask. Now this is my MetaMask wallet, a MetaMask Chrome extension. You can just download MetaMask Chrome extension on your PC, on your Chrome, whatever. Now you have to send Ethereum using ERC20. You can use Binance. You can use Bybit, you can use any exchange of your choice, but if you need any exchange, go to the link on the description to sign up on Binance or Bybit or any other exchange of your choice to be able to send Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet. Alright, so once you receive your Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet, you can see my Ethereum here. So let me go ahead and deposit my Ethereum on the Optimism network. I click on Max. So once I click on Max, the next thing is to click on deposit. Click on deposit. Let's click on deposit. Okay. You allow it to load. Alright, so this is it. So I'm going to be paying how many gas fee? $49 gas fee. That's big. So you click on confirm. Alright, so let's just allow it to go through. Let's allow it to go through. Welcome back. Alright, it took us about less than 10 minutes to be able to completely deposit our Ethereum on the Optimism network. So this is what you're going to face when you are depositing it. Just click on deposit and wait for the transaction to complete. Alright, so now we have actually deposited our Ethereum on the Optimism network. Now what's the next thing for us to do? We have to go to Uniswap. Now let's go to Uniswap. I have Uniswap here already. Alright, so every link you need will be on the description below, where I'm going to be showing you the links to the Uniswap, links to the Optimism, so you will not find any link elsewhere. So every link you need is on the description below. So once you get to this Uniswap, you switch the network to Optimism. You can see this Ethereum. Just click on this drop down. You see Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Just choose Optimism. We are switching the network to Optimism network. Click on connect. Click on switch network. All right, so now what do we do here? You have to activate your wallet. How do you activate your wallet? By swapping your Ethereum to other token you will have in the Optimism network. So you click on select token, just swap your Ethereum to USDC. Very simple. Swap your Ethereum to USDC. You click on max. If you click on max, you allow it to load. We're about to swap our Ethereum to USDC, so we can officially activate our wallet for the potential airdrop coming up on Optimism network. So we allow it to load. Okay, all right, so we are about to swap our Ethereum to USDC. So I'm swapping 0.04 Ethereum to USDC. So click on swap. This is how to activate your wallet. You click on confirm swap. Click on the next thing is to confirm it on the network. All right. Click on confirm. Success. All right. We have officially activated our wallet for the potential airdrop coming up on Optimism network. Guys, this is going to be big. If you like what you're seeing, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you can get our videos whenever we drop them. Now, this airdrop can worth a lot of money. You just need to swap your Ethereum to other coin and get eligible for this airdrop. This airdrop will be very, very big, I can tell you. Based on what we have seen on the other layer 2 airdrops, talking about DYDX and Boba network, it was big. So Optimism will be very big. So you just need to take advantage of it. All right. So as we have successfully swapped our Ethereum to USDC, I don't need the USDC. All I will do again is to swap my USDC back to Ethereum so I can actually withdraw it and do whatever I want to do with it. If you deposit your money here, you can actually withdraw it. You don't need to leave it here. You can withdraw it back to your wallet. That does it. All you need to do is just to activate your wallet and get eligible for this airdrop. All right, so let me go ahead to swap back my USDC back to Ethereum. Click on max. I want to transfer everything. All right, I'll go ahead to click on, okay, allow Uniswap. Okay, click on this thing. Allow it to load. Click on confirm. The network gas fee is very, very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. This is the importance of the layer 2 scaling solution. It's going to be very amazing how people are going to be doing transaction. Lesser fee is going to be very big. All right, let's go ahead to confirm to swap our USDC back to Ethereum. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. We'll allow it to confirm. All right, let's also sign in. Confirm it here. Success. All right, we have officially qualified for this airdrop. Guys, this is what you need to do to qualify for this airdrop. Now, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you can be getting all our content. Now, if you want to get more airdrop, I want you to check the link in the description to watch an airdrop video about Arbitrum and also ZK Sync and how you can participate in it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.